So, good morning. Today's video is kind of different. I'm going to go fishing. And I'm not saying I'm a pro, but every once in a while you have to buy some equipment, and every once in a while I invest in some different new hobby. And now I'm driving to our spot where me and my friend are going to fish for the day, and I'm going to make a vlog about it. But it's going to be just a simple day of me having fun, but I'll take you with me. I woken up at 4:30, and then I had my stuff packed yesterday, and I drove for 1 hour. Right now it's 6 o'clock, and I'm here and I'm going to go fishing. So that's why today is not a normal video, not a normal vlog, but it's a adventure vlog. And so I kind of been putting up together a gear and everything for the last 2-3 weeks. I finally have good enough gear to go try it out. My friend has a lot of stuff, and so it's a new hobby we have. And stick around and see how we're going to have fun. So it has taken us a little bit to bring stuff here. We left the car up there and had to bring everything here. Here's a nice sunrise, and Jerry is already putting up a rod pod for our sticks, and we'll be casting in that direction. Now everything is done. We have to make a tent, so we're not going to be like very hot today over the day, and so we're going to put it over here.
Laat die spelen. Hey, palma, weg! Hey, kom op, palma. Laat die, Elga. Voel op spannen. Voel op, waarom spannen? Voor die First fish seems like could be a nice one. How does it feel?
A small one.
There seems to be maybe a lot of oil, just maybe double take. Or no, it's going left. Yeah. Keep it down, yeah. First fish of the day in the net. Nice, seems like a nice one.
Nice crab?
It's a carp, yeah.
Carp. A nice morning feeling. We just woken up, drank some coffee, threw a rod in the water, and you just catch a fish out of nothing. So we were just setting camp there while everything just started beeping, and so it's a nice feeling to catch that kind of a fish at 7 a.m. I was the first one to catch a fish today, but we'll see who wins at the end of the day. So as you can see, we've been interrupted while setting up camp with a fish, and so now I'm going to make a table here. Jay went to get some stuff from the car, and then we continue fishing. Basically all of my stuff is mostly from Decathlon, because I don't like to buy a lot of stuff that's like very expensive, because you can buy similar stuff for a very cheaper price if you're not like obsessed with the weight. My camping gear is like weight oriented or less weight oriented, but tables and stuff like this you can buy at every Decathlon, and it's very useful. It comes very handy when you need it, and so yeah. I have zero idea how to get this together. That's basically it. So here's another catch that I just gotten, and it's going over my line. That's going to be interesting right now. I'm gonna have to let him go a little bit to get the, because I'm alone. I'm just going to hold it in my hands. Not that big, like literally not that big, but it's nice. I mean, today I've caught 2 fish in a couple of minutes. Another fish. That's strange. Ooh. Go. Okay.
Manners on the trust.
Celebration of a successful fishing trip. Cheers.
Yeah, this one. Yeah, but it's a carp, definitely. Not a big one, but it's always nice to see a fish, right?
I think Jared is getting lucky now. I was getting lucky before. He's getting lucky now.
What's the excuse? There it is.
Nice.
Nice, right?
Today I would like to explore an idea of grounding. That means you are walking barefoot on a Mother Nature earth. I've been practicing the grounding for years now, and so that means that I go into the woods camping, as you can see on my YouTube channel, or I just go for a walk. And mostly when I'm out of town, when I'm at home, I just walk barefoot. That means that I'm connected to the Mother Nature and not disconnected by wearing plastic shoes. So firstly, let's make a sense of what the grounding is. It's actually making a physical contact with Mother Nature, and many believe that there is a physical and mental benefits to these practices. We often call this earthing. That means you just walk barefoot in the nature and you're connected to the Mother Earth. So it's supposed to help with inflammation, improved sleep, and stress reduction. In conclusion, there is no proven evidence that it is true, but you can decide for yourself. Well, I'll be letting you to decide for yourself. I already know what I want to do. I just want to enjoy the nature and walk barefoot. Now let's get back to the fishing.
Bravissima.
Oh. So the fishing day was successful. We kind of got like seven. Each of us got 7 different fishes, and we're still waiting for something to bite over here, but we're not very hopeful that we're gonna get something or anything in the next 30 or 40 minutes. So we're going to probably just pack everything and go home. It was a nice day for, you know, for fishing, for having fun, but I think that was it for today. And thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.